Virtual reality, VR, technology has made incredible strides over the years, becoming an integral part of gaming, education, training, and entertainment industries. By 2025, VR headsets have reached a level of sophistication and diversity that caters to various user needs, whether you're an avid gamer, a professional creator, or a casual explorer of virtual realms. This video explores the top 8 best VR headsets of 2025, detailing their features, specifications, and what sets them apart in the competitive VR landscape. Number 1. MetaQuest 3 Pro. Meta has consistently been at the forefront of VR innovation, and the MetaQuest 3 Pro epitomizes their expertise. This standalone VR headset offers an unparalleled level of freedom, eliminating the need for wires or additional hardware, while still delivering high-performance capabilities. Equipped with the Qualcomm XR3 Gen 2 chipset, it handles even the most demanding VR applications with ease, ensuring seamless experiences whether you're gaming, exploring virtual worlds, or using mixed reality MR features. The dual 4K OLED displays produce stunning visuals, with deep contrasts and vibrant colors, enhanced by a 120 HD refresh rate for smooth motion rendering. What sets the MetaQuest 3 Pro apart is its mixed reality functionality. Its advanced pass-through cameras create a bridge between the virtual and physical worlds, enabling immersive augmented reality AR applications. With up to 5 hours of battery life, it's perfect for extended gaming sessions or creative endeavors. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort, even during prolonged use. Meta's robust ecosystem of VR content, combined with its ability to function as both a gaming console and productivity tool, makes this headset a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. Sony PlayStation VR2 Pro. The Sony PlayStation VR2 Pro is the pinnacle of console VR gaming, tailored specifically for PlayStation 5 users. Sony has elevated its VR game with this headset, offering gamers an immersive experience that complements the raw power of the PS5. The device features dual OLED displays with a resolution of 2000x 2040 per eye, supporting HDR for breathtaking visuals. This makes games like Horizon VR Call of the Mountain come alive with stunning detail and vivid color. One of the standout features is its integration of foveated rendering, made possible through advanced eye tracking technology. This optimization reduces the workload on the system, focusing graphical fidelity where the player is looking while conserving resources elsewhere. The inclusion of haptic feedback in the headset itself, combined with the adaptive triggers on the controllers, adds another layer of immersion, allowing players to feel everything from subtle environmental vibrations to the tension of a drawn bowstring. With a wide 110-degree field of view and a simple USB-C connection to the PS5, the PlayStation VR2 Pro is a game-changer for console-based virtual reality. Number 3. HTC Vive XR Elite. The HTC Vive XR Elite is a premium VR headset aimed at professionals and creators, blending top-tier hardware with versatile functionality. Boasting a combined 6K resolution and a 120 HWF refresh rate, this device offers crystal-clear visuals that are ideal for designing, modeling, and exploring virtual spaces. HTC has integrated full-color pay-through technology, allowing users to seamlessly transition between augmented and virtual reality, making it a great choice for industries like architecture, education, and product design. The Vive XR Elite's inside-out tracking eliminates the need for external sensors, simplifying setup without compromising performance. Paired with the VivePort Infinity subscription, users gain access to an expansive library of VR content, from games to productivity tools. The headset's lightweight design and adjustable straps ensure comfort during long work or creative sessions. And with its emphasis on innovation and professional-grade features, the Vive XR Elite stands out as a versatile headset that bridges the gap between work and play. Number 4. Apple Vision Pro. Apple's much-anticipated entry into the VR and AR market, the Vision Pro, has set new standards for what a mixed reality headset can achieve. Designed with Apple's trademark focus on elegance and performance, the Vision Pro is powered by the M3 chip, ensuring lightning-fast processing and seamless performance. Its micro OLED displays deliver an impressive 4K resolution per eye, creating lifelike visuals that enhance both entertainment and productivity. This headset's standout feature is its advanced spatial computing capabilities, which allow users to interact with digital content in their physical environment. Through hand gestures, eye tracking, and voice commands, Apple has removed the need for traditional controllers, making the experience more intuitive than ever. With deep integration into the Apple ecosystem, the Vision Pro works seamlessly with devices like the MacBook and iPhone, enhancing its appeal to Apple users. While it's a premium product, its cutting-edge features and focus on AR functionality position it as a transformative device in the world of mixed reality. Number 5. Samsung Odyssey VR3. Samsung's Odyssey VR3 is an impressive addition to the Windows mixed reality ecosystem, offering high-quality visuals and user-friendly features. Its AMOLED displays provide a resolution of 2880 x 2880 per eye, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks that enhance every VR experience. Combined with inside-out tracking, the headset offers precise motion detection without the need for external sensors, streamlining setup and usage. Ergonomics are a key focus for the Odyssey VR3, featuring an adjustable head strap and lightweight construction that ensures comfort during extended sessions. The redesigned controllers are more ergonomic, providing better grip and responsiveness for gaming and productivity applications. With seamless integration with Windows PCs, this headset is an excellent choice for both gamers and professionals seeking a versatile VR solution. The Odyssey VR3's combination of high performance, ease of use, and compatibility makes it a standout device in its category. Number 6. Varjo Aero. The Varjo Aero is designed for users who demand nothing but the best in visual fidelity. This headset offers an incredible 35 pixels per degree, ensuring unmatched clarity and color accuracy. It's the ideal choice for professionals in fields like aviation, design, and simulation, where precision is critical. The Aero's advanced eye-tracking capabilities enable foveated rendering, focusing graphical resources where the user is looking, resulting in superior performance and reduced hardware requirements. With a 115-degree field of view and a customizable fit, the Varjo Aero ensures a comfortable and immersive experience for long sessions. Its compatibility with professional-grade VR software further enhances its appeal to industries requiring detailed visualizations and simulations. While it comes at a premium price, the Varjo Aero delivers the kind of quality and performance that justifies the investment, making it the gold standard for high-end VR applications. Number 7. XRSpace Manova. The XRSpace Manova takes a unique approach to virtual reality by focusing on social interaction and community building. This standalone headset features a sleek design and a 4K display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals that enhance its virtual environments. Powered by the Snapdragon XR2 platform, it delivers reliable performance for both casual gaming and social experiences. What truly sets the XRSpace Manova apart is its emphasis on creating shared virtual spaces. Users can design their avatars and personalize their environments, fostering a sense of identity and connection within the virtual world. With a battery life of up to 5 hours, it's perfect for social gatherings, virtual meetings, or collaborative activities. The XRSpace Manova is a forward-thinking headset that prioritizes community and social interaction, making it a standout choice for users who value connectivity in their VR experiences. Number 8. Lenovo ThinkReality VRX. The Lenovo ThinkReality VRX is a professional-grade VR headset designed to meet the needs of businesses and enterprises. Its 4K displays feature anti-glare technology, ensuring clear visuals even in challenging environments. The device's inside-out tracking offers 6 degrees of freedom, enabling precise motion capture without external sensors, which is essential for training and simulation applications. Durability is a hallmark of the ThinkReality VRX, with a rugged design built to withstand the demands of industrial use. Its compatibility with Lenovo's ThinkReality platform provides enterprises with powerful tools for workforce training, remote collaboration, and virtual prototyping. With extended battery life and a focus on usability, the Lenovo ThinkReality VRX is a reliable choice for companies looking to harness the power of VR in their operations. Its robust features and enterprise-focusing design make it an invaluable tool for modern businesses. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.